take me to that place so far away.